Hi guys, just want to give you a sneak peek of the HS600D. Just got released. Waiting on some satellites to be acquired here. Just fired it up. This thing's awesome. With your fold down legs there. Got rubber feet on them. Here and here and there. Okay, we're ready for calibration. Counterclockwise. Camera up counterclockwise. So you hear a beat. Okay, we're ready to fly. 3-axis gimbal, brushless gimbal on this one, so gonna have beautiful photos and videos, I'm sure. Okay, we're all set. To unlock the motors, just down and in the middle, and up with the throttle stick to take off. Look at that. Super cool. This thing's a beast. Awesome. 600 grams, 603 grams, I believe, is the exact weight. Let's go ahead and get it up there real quick, and we'll do it as a return to home. Nice. I have it in camera mode, so it's in the first speed setting. Okay, return to home. Wow. It's going to spin around and come back toward me, toward the landing pad. Very cool. Wow, this thing is impressive. It's massive. I like it. Is it going to turn around to land? I hope so. Yes. Super awesome. Love it when it does that. It's got rubber feet, 3-axis gimbal. It spins when it's doing its return to home, so all those features I really enjoy. Hopefully you're the same as me. If you guys like to have this drone, you can. If you're interested, you can buy them on my new store on Shopify here on YouTube. I'll tag these items. Look how close that is. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there just by hitting the return to home button. The short press will stop it. Look how much power this thing has. It blows them leaves around. Use it as a leaf blower. Super cool. Thing's a joy to fly. Very cool. Alright, let's get it up and go to the west a little bit, out toward the road. Do another return to home. Check our accuracy. I'll do a couple snapshots and some video. I'll have to pull them off the SD card because I didn't bring my phone that I use. But anyway, here we go. This thing has excellent range. You can go over to the store and I have all that stuff in the description. All that information's there for you. There's videos, tutorial videos. And I'm even going to be lowering my prices tonight. Actually going to launch the grand opening with this video. Very cool. Thank you, Holy Stone, for making this all happen. Appreciate you. Thank you, YouTube. Couldn't do it without you either. YouTube and Google, appreciate you. Definitely couldn't do it without my viewers. Thank you all very much. Love you all. Appreciate all the support. We're pretty close. Definitely can get it back to where you can see it for sure. Within about 6 feet of the landing pad that time. Go ahead and land it and try it one more time. Very cool. Alright, now we're going to try to take off from there. Right here into the field a little ways. For this return to home. Okay, we'll call that good. There, it's spinning around, coming back this way. While the drone's coming back, you have speeds, return to home, video, camera, have your power off and on. auto takeoff and land there, camera angle, and focus, or not focus, but zoom in, zoom out. All right, it's turning around, getting ready to descend. Looks good. There's the pad, there's the drone. This one looks the most accurate of all of them. It is windy, keep that in mind. It could be blowing things off course a little bit. It's definitely messing with my airplanes a little bit ago when I was flying them. It has calmed down a little bit. And the drone definitely is closer to the landing pad this time. So look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. Just by hitting return to home again. Alright, let's get up there and get us a couple snapshots. Excuse me. Not sure what we're looking at here, but I'm going to try to change the angle just a little bit. Just by pressing the camera button. There's one. Turn back this way, look at the field. There's two. Let's do a little video. Okay. Get a little more altitude. I'm going to do a slow 360. Once again, you guys can buy these in my store if you're interested. If you're thinking you want to get into drone flying, this is a good place to start for sure. With the Holy Stone drones, they're awesome. They practically fly themselves. See? Very smooth. Good cameras. And they can fit in the budget. That's the main thing. Definitely good cinema quality cameras. Alright, let's bring it in for a landing and end this video. I'll do more future videos. I'll give you a better how to set up video and show you how to hook everything in, get your phone and camera, everything locked in. Just wanted to get this one out there for you, launch the store opening. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I sure appreciate your support. Yeah, I hope to see you guys back here soon. There are some happy reviews. Bye.